Good morning, Bio 4. We're starting week 2, so I thought I'd just put in a short video to see how we're doing. And things are going well. You completed the cookie assignment. I really enjoyed that. People finding all the different structures on the cookie. And there were quite a few scapulas in there. Scapulas posterior, and we had an anterior cookie, so that was a hard one to find, but mostly you guys got all sorts of structures, some that I hadn't even noticed on the cookie yet, so that was really excellent. Also, the lateral, medial, directional terms, the things that you have to be learning, and your homework on different body regions also was great. So that is a study tool for you if you want to load that picture up of yours with all the structures. Some of you did that with many of those structures so that you start learning them. They'll become more familiar to you when we start working on the cadaver, and then we're always talking about those locations. So it's a beginning, and you'll get much more of that. Let's see on my notes what else. This week, what we're doing is in lab is finishing the tissues, and then we're moving on to bones. And in lecture, you've already, you will have started bones already this week. So moving along, I think it's going really well. No Zoom for me. I've had lots of emails about that. I don't have Zooms, but Adrienne does, which is lab Bio 4-06. So she is doing Zooms because she sees you less. It's wonderful that she's doing Zooms too, but for my sections, we don't have those. Okay, guys, so keep up the good work, and we'll be talking or emailing. Take care. Bye.